muko
niyanziza nze omba Samalie abe mukyala
asooka kusikayo eriye kikwezi muyongere engalo abazadde nina kyenjagadde the basket for the bride.
It's a basket the bride has to give to the groom as a token of her love. So, mead wine, that's honey wine. Yeah. Being with you every day, so easy, and it's as sweet as honey.
Kademu banna omuzindalo kubadde kutya ogwo
I think apples, green apples, so that your life every day is a spiritual apple. And you know, one apple a day is a doctor, so please do it. Grapes, you should make some wine, bowl. Samalie, you know in Salah's Samalie, so keep that in mind.
orange
have a safety back.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Really happy you came to Hungary and meet you there, and I'm really happy I know you. I'm really happy I'm remembering this family now, and I hope we'll go to party later. But I really appreciate you. I really appreciate everything that you did then and now for us, for me, for the family, for everyone. You're a good man. I'm happy to know you.
Olina kasuso kutali malabe bugalo buwewera olinga muwere buli akulaba kagwa malebe atakulina nakulima tikale tolina kyawa bakabo bebogere atoli kuno musibi no bikole kati amatutu gaziba tekufa kundere tukire bobine babyabe magere sijja kuleka bakuvuma baseke nga kyegwa gwenda bamwendaga makeke biroto bifuna nga tuli amatete ebyange binina bibyo byonna nyega wano bebe nyega wano lelo luno nsulayo tondeka wano nyega wano bebe nyega wano lelo luno gira tuve wano tondeka wano diya nkuwa kikumi abalala biro kano ketusimbudde okusibawo n'abazadde bagambye toyisa mu kiro ye bannange buzibadde twebakotulo kubanga wamponya abasunza kaweke emitwe mirerya temuli maweke gwe lavunafuna oregeno oli omwotanyimbira tulotulo sijja kuleka bakuvuma baseke nga tegwe gwendaba mwembaga makeke biroto byenfuna nga tulya mutete ebyange binina bibyo byonna nyega wano baby nyega wano lelo luno nsulayo
asigidde mutowe kubanga abayita ababiri bejjukanya bakadde bange bonna bakulu bannange bwe bataddeko amajolobera ye mwana omulenzi yasiima singa gwayogeddeko yasiima muwala waffe Samalie.
Here. We thank you for keeping the appointment and the time for this function. This is a small space, my brothers are seated over there, but we are here to witness this welcome. We have been in contact with the matter and Samalie. Indeed, like the MC has told you, we already gave the consent for them to stay together. Their mother was lucky when he flew out to Denmark. I think that's where you had Denmark. So they had it. I'm not it was in Hungary. So, I want to take this opportunity to officially welcome you, Mati, to our family, and be part and parcel of this family.
A very big hand clap for that.
I wish you all the best.
Acceptance.
I wish you all the best. You already have children. If you want more, you can.
So
thank you very much for it. One, thank you for the presents you gave us. We are well received them. Let this space we are going to tell my brother and the entire clan is here for the occasion. Thank you very much. You, Martin, and your colleagues who have come Kandesola. We are on the ship plan. And like your family, we are the ship plan. And I'm sure somebody will teach you more about these clans, how they serve us, how we are proud of them, and how they link us together. So, you meet in any other Chigozi in the street of Kampala, you are exactly our brother. So that's the purpose of the plan. Banange, mbadde yaniriza abagenyi bano abawerekedde Mate bakakasa tubakkiriza kubazaala mu nyumba yaffe era bafuuse baana sabana tubaagaliza emikisa emirungi mu bufumbo bwabwe olwedde balina abazzukulu babano babiri oli ekisa malayika so tubaniriza waliwo alina ekyagala okwogera ku
bakadde baffe okujja babuuzaako
okwongerako ekigambo ayongereko n'okubabuuzaako
ne senga tutegekera olwendo lw'amazzi oba akokonya enesoft drink funa olwendo lw'amazzi okusooka ndooza luuli balutegese wali metron
to be with us, to party with us, come, share with us everything that you will find in the house. You are no longer a visitor, a stranger, but you are a member of the family. We eat together, party together, in everything, whether sorrow or happiness or joys, you are part of us. So this is the blood pact we have made by sharing this. So you share your drink and you share that coffee bean. Okay, you give him yours and he gives you. Let's see. Take. normally use water, not beer.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
bakadde bange abaana bagenda kufuna ekiwandiiko bafuna ebbaluwa entongole eva mu bwakabaka bwa Buganda era nga eriko emikono gy'abakagano okukakasa nti ddala obufu buwandiisiddwa era mu nsi eno Buganda.
Baana bange njagala okubakwasa ebbaluwa eno okukakasa nti nze n'ab'ekika kyange n'oluggya lwange tubakkiriza mugende mufumbigame ebbaluwa eno mubituufu byonna okukakasa kale tubatadde tulimusigadde agagwatireko
okuliraana omukulu ataddiza oliraana omuti ogw'empumbu neeno ekitambuliso kyo kikino mate ogende bulijjo nga obagamba ndi musajja wa Kabaka. Kale webale nnyo, webalire ddala, tweyanziza nnyo byonna by'otuleetedde. Mukama abawe nnyo omukisa.